Christmas in July. Take a bunch of corn and strip it out. Interestingly, you're actually gonna take the corn cobs, comme ça, and add 2.5 cups of half and half cream, grass-fed, thanks to our friends at the Rolling Meadows. We're gonna simmer that for 15 minutes. So let's get all these kernels into this delicious goldenrod butter. I'm gonna add some maple syrup molasses, some garlic puree, and our beautiful jalapenos, a little bit of the gospel. There we go. What's Christmas without the gospel, right? So let's get a good cup of this into our blender. Perfect. Our corn cobs have been sitting, making this infused milk. Oh yeah, perfect. That's perfect. Put a bit of parm on to finish off. And then the special bonus, all the way from Texas. Crunchy jalapeno pieces. Yeah, it just added a perfect thing. Look at those colors. Bonanza. Bongo's good.